Monday, August 14th, 2023. Topic: Delwar Hossain Sayeedi. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated video. Okay then.
Explore the controversial life of Sayeedi, from his religious upbringing to his alleged war crimes during the Bangladesh Liberation War, in this revealing documentary. Sayeedi's initial religious education was at his local village madrasa, established by his father. He later attended the Sarsina Aliyah Madrasa in 1962 and the Kulna Aliyah Madrasa. Sayeedi is accused of committing arson, rape, and murder during the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971. His defense claims mistaken identity and no DNA testing was conducted. His family insists he was not in Piroypur at the time, but in Jessore, and later sought refuge in another village. The individual, after gaining recognition, was elected to the parliament for the Piroypur 1 constituency in Bangladesh's national elections in 1996 and 2001. The Bangladesh government established the International Crimes Tribunal in 2012 to hear cases related to war crimes committed during the 1971 War of Independence, aiming to provide justice for victims. Sayeedi is accused of forced conversions of Hindus to Islam, sectarian attacks on Hindu minorities, rape and assaults on unarmed civilians, as well as looting and arson. Syed Rajal Haqwe Chanpuri, Secretary General of the Bangladesh Tariqat Federation, accused Sayeedi and 5 other Jamaat leaders of hurting religious sentiments in 2010. Sayeedi was prevented from leaving the country in 2009, which he challenged in court. Human Rights Watch criticized the International Crimes Tribunal, ICT, for not providing enough protection for the accused. Sayeedi's trial was delayed in 2012 due to personal health issues and family deaths. In 2009, Manik Poshari filed a war crime case against Sayeedi and 4 others for crimes committed during the 1971 Bangladeshi War of Independence. The trial began in 2011 with Sayeedi charged with 20 counts of crimes against humanity, including murder, rape, and arson. The trial saw 28 witnesses for the prosecution and 16 for the defense, with an additional 16 witness statements given to the investigator. In 2012, Sukranjan Bali, a witness in a trial at the International Crimes Tribunal, was allegedly abducted by the Bangladesh police. Human Rights Watch expressed serious concern about the incident. Bali, who was later handed over to India's Border Security Force, was expected to counter allegations about Sayeedi's involvement in a 1971 murder. Sayeedi was found guilty of 8 charges, including mass killing and forced religious conversion, during the 1971 Liberation War of Bangladesh. He was sentenced to death by hanging for 2 of these charges. However, The Economist criticized the trial, stating that the presiding judge had resigned and the charges were politically motivated. Rights groups, including Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch, have questioned the legitimacy of the tribunal and conviction of Sayeedi in Bangladesh. They cite a lack of evidence and potential political motivations for his arrest. The verdict sparked widespread protests and violence, resulting in an estimated 100 deaths. The Bangladesh Supreme Court reduced the sentence of war criminal Sayeedi from the death penalty to life imprisonment on the 17th of September 2014. Sayeedi, a controversial figure with extreme views, was added to the U.S. Terrorist Screening Center's no-fly list in 2004. Despite this, he was allowed to enter the UK in 2006 to address rallies, causing controversy among British MPs. Sayeedi, who has a large following within the British Bangladeshi community, was also invited to speak at the East London Mosque. Sayeedi, a trilingual speaker of Bengali, Urdu, and Arabic, passed away at the age of 83 on August 14, 2023. He was admitted to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Medical University Hospital after experiencing chest pains and died later that day. As the sun sets on Sayeedi's tale, the truth remains shrouded in mystery, a haunting echo of Bangladesh's turbulent past. The quest for justice continues, the verdict still pending.